some sandwiches in our pockets.
Huh? What are you talking about?
Like when Rachel and I, if we went on one and we just snuck some candy bars or something, that would be unhonorable.
That's right. But what would be on your honor?
But can't you still dream of your vision animal, but still get to eat?
Nope.
No, usually in some old Indian tribes, they had, the boys would get, like,
Come on,
they would go
hurry
out, then they would get a small pouch of dry fruit. Go in front of me.
Wait, tell me what you're saying. Look at me and tell me. Tell me. What are you saying?
They could go out with a small water sack and a pouch of dry fruit.
And do what?
And they'd do the same thing. And then they'd think about their vision animal, well, their power animal.
Uh-huh.
For me, I'm pretty sure that's cat, because I'm always dreaming about cats. I love cats. Plus, I am part cat.
Come on, just walk, people.
Are you videotaping this?
Yeah, I'm going to show your daddy.
Show Dad what?
Don't make me make strange faces.
Go ahead, make a...
Hey!
All right.
Picture.
I am.
Go, move, march.